Gratitude. This is Andrea here.
And the other Andrea, hello.
Hello. I hope everybody's doing great today. We are working on the next week, which is the 5th through the 11th of August.
That's crazy.
It is nutso. We're working in our personal planner. I did a Halloween layout last time.
It turned out really cute.
It's really cute. What is this called again?
Hallows Eve.
Hallows Eve. All right. Now we're working on this one. Let's go ahead and put in our dates while I still remember.
This kit is called Golden Fall.
Golden Fall. Isn't that some sort of sexual thing?
No, that's a golden shower.
Golden shower?
Yeah.
Oh, yuck. So this kit is called Golden Fall, y'all. Golden Fall.
It has nothing to do with golden showers.
So gross.
Your full boxes, your full box checklists, and some appointment labels.
I love that.
Thank you. Your checklists, your half boxes, your quarter boxes, and headers. Then you have your date strips, your washi, your weekend banner, your icons, more boxes. And lastly, you have your glitter headers.
Awesome. I always like to start with the date strips. That's just me.
That's me too. I think the date covers and stuff set the tone for the rest of the layout.
Yeah. Agreed.
It's like a good guideline for the rest of the stickers, which is what I kind of just said, so I'm not sure why I'm repeating.
I'm working with Drea's inserts.
Yes, and they are available in the shop. Oh, and I have a sale going on. It is 20% off of $20 or more. And we still have free shipping on orders 35 and over. Free shipping will always be there. So check it out if you'd like to.
Yay.
One good thing, oh, my boyfriend's birthday is coming up in not next week, but the week after.
Yeah, next week.
Oh, next week for this video, so yes. And he's excited. I'm gonna make him a triple chocolate fudge cake with chocolate fudge frosting. So we may have heart attacks.
Yes, chocolate heart attacks.
He is a chocoholic.
Chocoholic. Can't believe we're already so far in August.
July disappeared.
Yeah, it went pretty fast.
That was crazy. I feel like I slept through it because of how quick it went by.
Yeah. That I get.
Yeah. I always hate when I think of something to say and then it disappears from my brain. And then I'm sitting there and it doesn't come back to me until after, like, hours later.
Right.
When it doesn't matter anymore. I hate that. Oh! There's an August mystery kit in my shop. And it's made for the classic Happy Planner and the Erin Condren Vertical. And
it's for sale.
It's for sale. It's available now. And you should check it out if you're interested.
Yes. Also. If you like mystery.
Yes. we will be doing a kit reveal sometime this week for it. So if you like spoilers, check it out. If you don't like spoilers, skip that one.
Yes.
Because we don't want to spoil you if you don't want to be.
Okay. Now I gotta decorate my bottom half here.
The glitter header.
Yeah.
You should add some pizzazz to it.
I am. Good idea.
Thank you.
Put a glitter header here.
Bird. See, now it's fancy.
Yes, it is. Let's say hello weekend.
So school starts back up soon. It starts back up on the 8th out here.
Yes.
So
That means your hubby is going to be driving those little crazy critters.
yeah, and his route is changing. He's doing a different elementary school than he did last year, so we have to practice his route before he goes back to work.
Oh, wow.
That way he's good to go. He's really good at memorizing stuff, though. I think that's why he does such good. Such good.
Such good as his job.
Yeah, so good at his job. Not such good. That was a big typo. Verbal typo.
Ooh, I like that.
Oh, that's cool. It fit the whole box.
It did.
You're clever.
I clever like that.
Yeah.
Thursday is trash day.
Yes.
Got my little trash icon here.
And there was a recycle one too, because it's also recycle day.
Is it also recycle?
Yeah.
Awesome. Here.
Do we have any paydays? Or not that weekend?
7. We have one on the 9th.
Yes.
We have a money icon.
Yes.
That's
I
it.
don't think we have any appointments that week.
Mm-mm.
Okay. Cool.
Not yet.
Yeah.
We might get some because we have to schedule some.
Yeah, that's true.
But wow, guys, that's it. I did the whole kit caboodle just like that.
Yes.
And you can too. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye, guys.